It is mega nice up here. Alright guys, how's it going? I'm Alex and today we're going to drive to Abersoch, finally. See you guys! Bye! I'm on the hunt for water again and been to 3 service stations, none of them got any water. No water again, just a jet wash. Ooh, is that a tap? Oh. I think because it's a very camper van-y kind of area that they purposely don't have water about. Because they want us all to die. Stink. Spent a lot of time on this beach as a kid. Reckon the drone can get to that island? I think so. I've got a pin on Google Maps which is meant to be a good place to park for the night, but I'm not sure I'm going the right way. So I think this is the road that was meant to come down. On the tarmac on it, not this crazy whatever it is. Oh, the beach pole. It's a nice place for the night. It is a nice place for the night. I went to sleep. Alright guys, how's it going? Spent the night in this beautiful little car park last night and now we're going to go and see if we can reach those islands with the drone. that was amazing. That's the most exciting thing I've ever drone filmed, ever filmed. That was well good. That was well good. Fucking hell. Alex Attenborough. Doing up there, Po? You mad head, Po? Careful. Some of the houses up here have right good views. Right, we're just making our way now to further along the tip of the peninsula. Right to the tip. The big boys are out to play. Oh, there's a gate. Let's go for a walk, have a look. Yeah? Walking? No. No getting through that. Guess I'll have to drop another pin. Come on, Po. Oh, you're here. Oh, that's quick. Nice. Well, this is a quiet little beach, isn't it? Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And ding my bell, because you won't even know if I've uploaded a video otherwise. Cheers guys, see you on the next one. Dolphins, look! Oh my god, dolphins. Fucking big load of dolphins. Oh my god. The baby ones. Absolutely amazing. Look at these guys. My god.